Hey guys! Today we're gonna make spicy pepper and tomato jam. So first we're gonna wash them. Hallelujah. If you're growing tomatoes, use your own tomatoes or at least get fresh tomatoes or organic ones. And now we have to score them. You'll see why. It's pretty cool. So you basically make an X over here. And don't cut it too deep. Now we've got the tomato scored. And now we've got to go chop off some onion. So now we're just peeling the skin off these onions.
Is it making it fry?
A little bit. There we go. So now we're gonna put some oil in to fry the onions. We got this oil from our friend Nadia and she's from Italy. Light it up. Hi. What the glue? 9? Number 9? Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to be stirring the onions in all this olive oil. So these are our spices. Cayenne pepper, paprika, and cumin. And later we'll add some salt and pepper. Yeah! And we have the onions frying right now, so we'll add some salt and pepper to them. So this cool thing is happening here. I don't know if you guys can see it. The skin is slowly peeling off. So that's why we scored it. So onions are almost ready. We're gonna add some cumin and paprika. We're gonna save the spicy spice for later. Mix it all. In this bag we have some fire roasted peppers, really mushy. We've got our peppers all cut up and we're disinfecting our jars right now so there's no bacteria. And now let's just peel these tomatoes. So easy. And now we're just gonna cut them up and we're gonna get everything together. Throw in the peppers! Get an addle to throw in the onions. And some fresh gingers. Throw the ginger in!
Magic. Give the knife.
Ginger,
Give the knife.
but there's no ginger. Who's that one? Now we can add the cayenne pepper. Mix it up. 2 cups of sugar in. No, the funnest part. Oh, no, chop that tomato? No, I don't want to spill it.
Just be careful.
Trust me, someone's gonna spill. I warned you. Now that the jam has cooked down, we add some pectin. This is how you make tomato jam. Goodbye, kids!